Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a Mickey Mouse. Do you like Mickey Mouse? I do love Mickey Mouse. So let's start drawing. First of all, we will draw ears. Now the center part. This. Now the second ear. It's very easy. Now start drawing the face. Make a curve here and also make a curve on the other side. Now we will draw the eyes. This is the nose. Now we'll draw the mouth. And the chin. Mickey Mouse drawing is complete. Now I will draw bow, mouse, the circles. Now I will do black outline with sketch pen. Now our black outline is complete. Now I will use black crayon to color it. I will do black color eyes as well, in mouth also. I'm using the black crayon. It's done. Now I will do red color in the bow. We'll do red color in the tongue also. Now I will make some dots with black sketch pen. Okay, now I am going to use skin color crayon to color the face of Mickey Mouse. So our Mickey Mouse is ready. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. And don't forget to like, comment and share. And for more such videos, keep watching, keep creating. Till then, goodbye.